Yo, what's up guys, I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get modded version of Last War Survivor. This will basically give you unlimited gold and gems in the game you can use to purchase anything, and don't worry, it's completely safe. I have a bunch of options right there, such as free shopping, unlimited gold, free gems, speed hack and much more. The next step is grab your mobile devices. I'm using Android today. Once you are on your device, make sure you are already have updated and fully installed Last War Survivor. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. The next step is open your favorite browser. In the search bar, type is the Last War Survivor++. Press install. Once the loading is completed, Last War Survivor++ will be installed in your mobile device.